Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to unlike all posts on Instagram at once. So for that, open the Instagram application at first and then get logged in. Once you have been logged in and you are at the home page of Instagram, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right, tap that. On your profile page, you need to tap on the hamburger icon available on the top right corner. From there, you need to tap on your activity, tap that. Inside your activity page, you need to tap upon the interaction, tap on interaction. Inside interaction, you need to tap on likes. From the page, tap on likes. In likes, you will find all the posts from the new to the oldest that you have liked on Instagram. So for you to delete the like, what you have to do is you need to select all the pictures over here. I have very few number of likes that I have made on Instagram. So if you have like hundreds or more than that, you can just tap and select each one of them at once, and then you need to tap on unlike on the bottom. Are you sure you want to unlike these posts? You tap on unlike and all the posts that you have liked on Instagram will be deleted or it will not be recorded as a like. So this is how you can unlike all posts on Instagram at once. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.